Here are my new ingredients for my seed starting mix. So let's see what's in this box. Enjoy that video! Well, hello. This is what I purchased from Amazon for my seed starting mix. Now, when I open it up, this is how it's shipped. It doesn't look good. It looks like something that you would get from some type of dealer, and it's not a car dealership. So what I have peat moss, vermiculite, and then I'm going to add worm castings to this to start my seeds. But this is what I'm going to try out. Try something different. If you don't know, now you know. But what is your method when it comes to starting your seedlings? Leave in the comments box below. But I'm here to learn new things. I'm going to try this out, and I'll see the results once I start planting my seeds. So here's another video. Like, subscribe, share, and have a great day. Bye.